Hello, data science is the buzzword of the industry. You must be wondering, why is it so? Yes, this is the field which is helping management take better decisions. There are many aspirants who are well versed with programming languages and are wondering how they can enter into data science field. We have a course named as Advanced Certification in Data Science, and here a combination of various modules make you equipped to enter the field of data science. So it starts with fundamentals. Now, why is fundamentals so important? Because you must understand that why you should learn data science, what is data science, what is the sequencing which we need to do in data science, what are the job roles into data science. After having this equipped knowledge, what you do is you enter into the field of databases. Whether we like it or not, the data is in databases. There are many other sources, but fundamentally the data is in databases, and the way to talk to the database is SQL language. After having mastery over these databases, we write lots of queries and hence we become comfortable to talk to databases. After which we learn what Excel is. Yeah, Excel, the same Excel which you feel is very easy, but many people are not able to use Excel for analytics. Once your fundamentals, databases and Excel knowledge is clear, you go ahead and learn Python language. Python language is used for various things. We are talking about how to use Python, learn the basics of Python and use for data science industry. Once you understand Python, then we move ahead to learn how to do machine learning into using Python, and then how to visualize the data using Python. When the entire stream is clear, by then you do lots of assignments in this data science course. All these assignments are very carefully designed by the practitioners exactly the way they work on the projects. After you are done with that, it is very important to put your assignments in your resume the way the industry would like to see those, and they would understand the knowledge which you have actually put in your course. So welcome to this course and take the right step getting into this field of data science.